Welcome to FastFix. Today I will show you how to change password in Instagram. So first open your Instagram app, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then tap on the three lines at the top right corner, then tap on the settings and privacy. Then here you can now tap on account center. Now if you scroll it down, you can see the password and security. So tap that. So right here you can see change password option. So you should tap that one and choose the account that you want to make changes. So here you can see you'll be logged out of all sessions except this one to protect your account if anyone's trying to gain access. Your password must be at least 6 characters and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. So you just tap this, the current, new, and the retype password right here. But if you forgetting your password, you have just tap this forgetting your password and a link will send to your email to reset your password. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.